Hey there, this is Eric with TicketSpice, and in this guide, I'm going to walk you through how to add your Facebook or Meta pixel to your ticketing page. I'm going to show you how to test it to make sure that it's working correctly, and then I'm also going to explain exactly the different events that we send back to Meta when people interact with the ticketing page. So one little tool that you're going to need to test is going to be this browser extension, and it is called the Meta Pixel Helper. And so this will allow us to see that the pixel is loaded. It'll also reveal the different events that are firing on the page. So if I just take my ticketing page here now and I click this, it says that no pixel was found. So we can use this tool to understand if the pixel is present and also if it is working properly. So let me walk you through exactly how to add your Facebook pixel. And you do that by going under the settings and go to tracking. And down here, we have a Facebook section. Turn this on here and we have the pixel ID in here. And so I'm just going to put a dummy number in there. And so that's all you need to do. We are going to do the rest. It is automatically added on your page. It's going to send custom events as people interact with it and also send back the conversion data when people reserve tickets. This access token here is a little more of a nerdy implementation, which we cover in other documentation, which does a server-side integration with Facebook. But for this guide, I'm just showing the Facebook pixel. So we can hit save and publish. And so if we hit the page now, we see up here in our little helper that, ta-da, the pixel is now loaded. But you see we have a little alert around the page view. And I'm doing this on purpose to show you how ad blockers work and how to overcome it, because you might do a test and it might not look like it works, but it's because you might have an ad blocker on like I have for this demo. So if we turn off the ad blocker and then we refresh the page, we see that the page view is firing now. So if you're testing this and you don't know why it's not working, it could be because you have an ad blocker, and that's what ad blockers do, is they block things like this. So just a little heads up on that. Let me walk you through exactly how the different custom events get triggered and what they are. So going down here, I'm going to add 2 tickets of general admission on here, and we can go up here and see that we actually have an add to cart event that just got fired. And so we can see the value of $31.50 has been added, and we can expand this to see that there's a general admission 1 day. It passes the ticket level name in there. Pretty cool. So go back and down here. I can continue to add experiences if I want. So let's add a couple Sawmill experiences, and we're going to go down here. Sure, we'll add a $50 donation. Why not? And so once I get to the billing section, as soon as I start interacting with the credit card field, you see that number also increases. Here, you see there's initiate checkout. The initiate checkout is going to pass down the transaction amount. Pretty cool. So the Facebook pixel is going to load on page view. It's going to fire add to cart when you interact with ticket levels. And then when people interact with the billing section, it's going to fire the initiate checkout call. Pretty cool. So all I need to do now is complete the billing information here. And there's my billing information. I'm now going to hit submit. And we have our confirmation page here. And we go back up to our Facebook pixel helper here, and we see the purchase event got fired. Expand that, we see the $107, and we can see all the different nerdy details in here as well. So that is how it works. So add your Facebook pixel to your ticketing page. When you add it, we'll automatically send the custom events. We send the page view, we send the add to cart, we send initiate checkout, and the purchase information as well. So all that happens automatically for you. Hopefully that's helpful, and let us know if you have any other questions, and we'll catch you on the next demo.